Good morning, friends. Today's recipe is from Maharashtra. We are going to make banana shikaran, which is very easy and you just require few ingredients. You would need bananas which are ripe. In fact, if you have overripe bananas, they are the best. You need milk, little bit of sugar and cardamom powder to flavor it. And you can garnish it with dry fruits, that is optional if you wish to. You can serve this chilled, enjoy it by itself also, or you can have it with puris, just like we enjoy amras and puris. This also is a perfect summer dish. You can enjoy the way you want, either with your meals or by itself like a dessert. In fact, earlier I had also shared mango shikaran recipe. I'll share the link, you can check that out as well. So let's get started and prepare banana shikaran.
Maharashtrian delicacy, easy to prepare and so delicious. We'll require ripe or overripe bananas, milk, sugar if required, and few green cardamoms. I have boiled the milk and reduced it to thicken the consistency. You can add cardamoms while boiling it and also sugar if required. Peel the bananas. Taste them if they are very sweet. Actually, the bananas that I used were so sweet, I did not add any sugar to the milk. For best results, use overripe bananas. Slice them. With 2 bananas, you will get a small bowl full of shikaran. Now mash them lightly. Some like to serve it with slices. I liked it mashed. You can do that with fork or a small masher if you have one. If you like to cut it into tiny pieces, you can do that also. Make it the way you like. My family prefers it to be mashed because it gets mixed into the milk very well. Now transfer it into a bowl. And add the milk as required. This is thickened and cooled milk with the flavors of cardamom. Now mix them very well. The quantity of milk depends on how much you like. This is very simple and easy dessert, or you may call it a side dish, because you can enjoy this with puris as well. So it can be served as an accompaniment with the meals. Transfer it into a serving bowl now. After mashing the bananas, mix them immediately with the milk, otherwise they become blackish. Now garnish with finely chopped pistachios and almonds. That's optional. Some don't like to add any nuts to it. I have chopped them up very finely. Delicious banana shikaran is ready. Serve it chilled. Enjoy it the way you like, either as a dessert or as an accompaniment with the meals, because it tastes very good with puris, just like amras. Such a simple and easy dish to prepare. Do share it with your friends as well. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos from the archives. You may have missed some of these. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye.